Okay, there we go. And can you hear me? Can you hear me okay, Dee?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Just wondering. I was watching the lesson and I was like, oh my gosh, I totally get this.
Well, good. Okay. Let's see. Sorry. I'm still pulling it up. 1 second.
Don't worry, I'm downloading all the like Excel spreadsheets and whatnot too, so. Oh, there's my headband. I've been looking for my headband for like a week now.
Um,
You gonna go hang out with Caleb? Oh, okay. Have fun.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, so for number 3,
Mm-hmm.
I got 3. No, I'm sorry. I got 2.
You got 2? And
Yes.
my question is, okay, I always get confused on this. So how did you kind of come to that conclusion? Like how did you put it into Excel?
1 second. I need to get my puppy. 1 second. Layla, no. No.
What in the
I didn't use Excel.
Okay.
Why?
Did you just use the T-score formula that we get?
Yes.
Okay. Because I was like, you just calculate that so quickly. I'm like, what?
No. I did not use Excel. These are the answers from before. Number 4, I got wrong.
Uh-huh. So the probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's test statistic is 0.0403. That's a long decimal. Use this probability to determine the p-value for Jordan's hypothesis test. Don't we put that into the applet
Yes.
as the t-score? Or
Well,
03.
not that, but the Excel thing, right?
Um, Wait, are we talking about the Excel thing or are we talking about putting it into the applet? Because that's kind of what I got from that.
Um, I think you had to put it in Excel.
Yeah.
I don't know. I got it wrong. I don't know. I don't know how to solve that either.
3. I'm sorry. Oh, that's so sweet. They kind of gave us to work with for the information. Okay, so we have the so we use the t-score, correct?
I don't know. I don't know how to get that.
So p-value, oh my gosh. If I had talked to my friend Nate earlier, because he's taking a stats class, I could have asked him about this. Oh my gosh, this is gonna because I know I was just looking at that. Mm-hmm. So how to calculate p-value? So t. Look up your test statistic on the appropriate distribution. In this case, is So you got this one wrong, correct? You
Yeah.
said that's okay.
Yeah,
So
that
when you test a hypothesis about a population, you can use your test statistic to decide whether to reject the null hypothesis h of 0. You make this decision by coming up with a number called a p-value. A p-value is a probability associated with your critical value. The critical value depends on the probability of error. It measures the chances of getting results. So yeah, so we just put it into the 0.9704 0.9704. Is that what you got for it?
I didn't even write down what I got. That's the only way I didn't write down what I got. You get
Because
it?
like that's, and do we know how many degrees of freedom we have? Is it 2.2? Is that with degrees of freedom? Is that what I'm looking at? Because my eyes hurt. Yeah, the D with the bar above it, is that our degrees?
No, it's a sample mean.
That's the sample mean? Oh, weird. We're not using. That's weird. And then the sample of, okay. And then, yeah, so are we just gonna assume that? If they're saying that, go to, sorry, D, I'm getting that's weird. Because there's technically 42 for the sample that they kind of tested, but I'm not sure if that's the one we're using. So are we not using the Excel sheet until much later in the quiz?
I don't know. I used it for this one, but I got it wrong, so I don't know.
And probably let's use the test statistic. If the alternative hypothesis contains a less than alternative, find the probability that C is less than your test. Oh my goodness, what was that?
It's just Layla. Layla. It's her water bowl. She's playing in it.
There's this. How did we calculate p-value whenever we were doing z-scores? Because I know we did that.
I just used.
Wasn't it just?
You said I just used the Excel, so I don't know.
Isn't. No, because that's weird. Okay, let's skip that one because I don't want to get all confused. Use the data file from the A1 6 questions to perform a paired samples t-test in SPSS. How do I find SPSS? Do you have SPSS downloaded onto your computer?
Wait, what do you
Or
mean?
did you just use the Excel sheet? So we're using the first table for the next 6 questions.
Are you on number 5?
So yeah, because I said let's get number 4 because that one's going to get really confusing.
For number 5, I have 0.407. And then number 6 is 0.689.
Okay, you cut out. You said 0.689.
Yeah.
Okay. And then number 7, what is the correct decision based on this evidence? So did we
Layla. Layla, where are you going? Come on. You can do that. You can do that. Go to the toilet. Let's go. Open that. Hi, Layla.
So,
Failed to reject it.
yeah.
Hi.
Uh, suppose your alternative hypothesis is instead h of the alternative is the mean greater than 0. What is the correct decision based on this evidence? So what kind of evidence do we have? Sufficient or insufficient? So let's just narrow it down from there.
I don't know. You can answer that one. I got that one wrong. I don't know.
Yeah. Um, well, did you say we have sufficient evidence that the mean of the differences is greater than 0? Is that what you got last time?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, I mean, just from that like little statement by itself, kind of that's what we have. All right, now we come to number 9. Which is greater, n or df? We had to calculate this.
And
So n is greater, or were you saying my name?
no, n is greater.
Okay. What is the p-value? Again, calculating p-values. Did you get to calculate this one, or did you get it wrong?
I just redid it. 1 second.
Okay.
I don't know if these are right though. I got these wrong before. So I was doing it as we were going. You're on number 10?
Yeah.
I don't know. I got it wrong. Right now I just put 0.001, but I don't know.
Yeah.
It could be wrong. One second. I have to get my baby. Hey,
You're good.
Layla, go. Saturday. Everybody there. Not allowed. So I wanted to go, I can give you my answers, but they're probably wrong. For 11, I put
So,
reject. For 12, I put decrease. For 13, I put reject. For 14, I put the third answer. For 15, I put UD is less than 0. I don't know. For 16, I put 11.955. For 17, I put
11, wait,
0.955.
you said, oh, okay.
For 17, I put 0.041. For 18, I put 11.914. For 19, I put 11.995. I don't know if these are right. I got different answers twice. So
And you
I'm not
said,
certain.
okay, this sounds terrible, but you cut out during a couple of them. I'm sorry, my internet has gone to crap today. You said 18 was what? And then 19 was what?
18, I don't know if these are right. I wouldn't just copy these, but 18 is 11.914. And for 19, I put 11.995. I got them wrong last time, so I don't know.
Yeah.
So.
I'll ask my roommates about this because I know they're So I'll call my friend Nathan and ask him what he thinks about this. See how far he is in his stats class and see if he can help with the p-values. And then I'll text you if I find any other answers.
Okay.
All right, thanks, Dee.
All right, I will post the video.
Awesome. And we will meet Thursday at 7 o'clock as well, or later?
I think 7?
Okay, so it'll be 7 your time or 8 my time? Because do you work on Thursdays again, or?
Yes.
Okay,
No,
so
so it'd be 7 your time, 6 my time.
okay. Okay, text me if anything comes up and I will happily move my schedule around.
Okay, that sounds good.
All right, have a good night, okay?
You too.